Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. In this video I'm going to show you a solution to a problem I used to have. Long ago I thought of this solution, and I was reminded of it by a loyal follower of mine and subscriber, Deborah. She mentioned about how her brother propagates cuttings with PVC pipe. Because if you take all these pineapple guava cuttings, or whatever cuttings you're making, and put all of them into one pot, you're going to get a problem with all the roots entangling, and you're going to have to try to pry them away from each other, those baby roots off a cutting. That's really scary and a lot of wasted time if it doesn't make it. If you broke roots and killed your cuttings, you just wasted a month or more of your time. So what I used to do, and she brought the idea back into my head, I don't know why I stopped doing it. What I used to do is I used to get clear tubing, and I used to cut it to fit what I needed, because it's a lot easier to cut this and a lot easier to work with, in my opinion. A lot more flexible in case you have bends in your cuttings. How I begin is I really compact soil into the bottom of the tube. So this is like a cork now, so it's not going to come out. Then what I do is I take one of my cuttings and I put it into the tube. And then I get more soil and keep packing it into the tube, pushing it along to the bottom with a pencil. And I do that to every cutting, and when I'm finished with that, I just stick it into the pot of soil, and I make many more of them, and I just fill in the gaps with more soil to, level with the pot, or just a little bit underneath the rim. And why I like the clear pipe as well instead of, let's say, the PVC pipe, is I can go when the soil, imagine the soil's full and there's a lot of plants, I can go in and gently pull one out of the soil and see through a clear pipe. I could see if there's any roots developing. Instead of a PVC, let's say, you couldn't see any roots. This doesn't really make a lot of sense if you're putting one cutting into one pot. You don't want to be doing this and wasting your time doing this. This is because I want one wide, shallow pot to put a whole bunch of cuttings into. Instead of watering a pot after a pot after a pot, I could just water one pot and I'm done. So thank you, Deborah, for reminding me about this. And to everyone, happy gardening.